Well, today I want to show you Kyoku steak knives that were sent to me to review, and they come in this nice little package here, and they're all individually wrapped. And so I'll go ahead and get this out. Now, there's a couple things I want to point out here. They've got this little plastic tip on the end so you don't poke anything with it. These are serrated blades. They're 5-inch stainless steel blades, and then they've got rosewood handles. And there's a little mosaic pin here that is a little design on the handle. And then also on the very end of their the butt end of the knife has a little design that says Kyoku also. And they're ergonomically handles here where you can place your hand here without cutting or anything. And so I'm going to go ahead and I want to use this real quick. I want to show you how easy it is to use these steak knives. You can certainly do it with you can cut steak with it, or you can cut vegetables with it, and you see how easy that does that. And the same way with let me get that out of the way. Same way with an onion. I mean, you can just cut the onion just pretty as you please. There's no problem at all. And then one other thing I want to show for sure is these come with a little protective case also. They're pretty neat, and you just slide the serrated edge down in the bottom here and just place that in there, and then that'll protect anything from getting against your blade and dulling your blades, either that or cutting your finger if you were to grab them like that. So anyway, we appreciate Kyoku sending these to us to try these out. They come 4-piece, and like I said, they're a 5-inch steak knife, and it's really nice. I mean, these handles are very nice, and comes in this little protective case here too. So, and then one other thing too I want to mention about these come with a lifetime warranty. They also have 24/7 customer service, so it'd make a great gift. I think you guys will really enjoy these. These are nice. We're going to enjoy them ourselves.